Hi Plybot community, we're excited to announce today that moving forward, we're going to be releasing updates on a consistent basis. These will range from videos to written updates, but we want you to know that you can expect to hear from us directly on a weekly basis. We wanted this first update of this new series to be an introduction to the Plybot team. This way you can get familiar with the individuals who are working hard to deliver your Plybots to you. We, like a lot of businesses that are working during this pandemic, are working remotely. And we have team members all over the US, from California to Missouri to North Carolina. We even have team members on the ground in the UK and in Sweden. Not everybody on the team was able to participate in this video, but most were, and we look forward to sharing the story of Plybot with you.
What's going on, Plybot fam? My name is Bryan with a Y. It's a little bit loud in here because I'm in front of our industrial 3D printer that is actually printing parts for the Plybot. Isn't that exciting? We are using a 3D printer to create a 3D printer. We're doing that right here in North Carolina, and we will be assembling your printers very soon to make that July and August ship date like we talked about and promised. Listen, looking forward to you guys opening these boxes and going to Object City and picking your first print. In fact, my first print is going to be completely random. I'm just going to go to Object City, close my eyes, scroll randomly and pick one, and that one is going to be my good luck token for a good long time. And that is exciting. So that's just a little quick update of what we got going on here in North Carolina, printing parts right now. Hope to check in with you later.
Hi, my name's Paul Holmes, and I live in Kansas City, Missouri. My area of responsibility at Plybot is to make all the little circuit boards going inside of it. So like here's a little LED board I just soldered. And we got a little pick and place machine. Let me show you that right here. See, it's down there. That makes it a lot easier than just placing the parts by hand. This is just for prototyping though. And let's see, so one of the first things I want to print when I get a Plybot is, my son has made me promise to print him some Legos or some I don't know, he has a million of them, but he just wants me to print some also.
Hi guys, I'm Josh. I'm currently living near Manchester in England, though I go to university in California. My role and responsibility in Plybot, it was engineering, though that's kind of less out of my hands now. Now it's mostly creating the models for the marketplace. That's what I'm working on currently. My favorite Plybot success story was definitely the initial engineering on the final Kickstarter model and working through all that last summer, and just raising that money, which was very exciting. And the first object, I have many objects because I've been curating the models. Over the past week I've got like 500 models off the internet, so I've got tons and tons that I want to print. And once it gets to one-click printing, I'll be printing a lot of models, definitely.
Hey, Brent, Wright from Additive America. I currently live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and my role with Plybot is making sure that all the parts that are printed and need to be assembled get together. We also work on a lot of logistics things, supply chain management and such. You know, one of the first things that I think I want to print on my Plybot is some things that really put it through the paces. Something like the Benchy, some of the super detailed dragons that are out there. I think that would be pretty fun. And then my daughter already wants to print some shoes for her dolls, accessories for her dolls, so that's pretty cool. So anyway, look forward to seeing how everything comes together.
My name is Jeremy Gallegos, and I live in Penryn, California, which is in Northern California, just north 30 minutes of Sacramento. And I'm one of the newest team members on the Plybot team. I've been here for about 4 weeks, and I came on as a project manager. I look at a macro level of the project and make sure everything's progressing and moving forward, that we're all on the same roadmap and that we're all hitting our dates that we need to move forward and get these Plybots into your hands. What am I going to print with my Plybot when I get one in my hands in the next week or so? I'm going to really put it through its paces. Like some other team members, I'm going to print some calibration things just to make sure that it's printing within specifications. I've also got 3 little kids ranging from 6 to 12, and so they already have a laundry list of Lego, Minecraft, Pokemon. We're going to be printing some articulating robots, one print in place, also some different multi-piece ones that you snap together. It should be a great time just to see what the Plybot can do, and that can handle the rigorous load of elementary age kids.
I'm Brooke Drum, and I'm leading the design team for this. Big shout out to Josh, where this originated, and I've been working hard to get all of the prototypes done, trying all kinds of solutions to get to the final model, and we are very, very close. So we're using folded sheet metal, we're using HP Fusion Jet or Jet Fusion 3D printed parts from Brent, laser cut parts, really trying to find the right tool for the job, but I am so thrilled to be on this team. Bunch of great guys, but I'm the design guy.
Well, I hope you enjoyed hearing from our team members and that it makes you feel a little bit closer to what we're working so hard to accomplish together. In future video updates, we'll be bringing you on site to a few of our manufacturing locations. We will show you the initial run of Plybots in real space, printing real objects. And of course, we'll keep you up to date with our production and how we're progressing through the different stages of the campaign. We want to thank you for all of your support and being a part of bringing the Plybot to reality.